People usually only see the fun part of market events. The shopping, the vendors, the atmosphere, but event day for organizers, it's honestly a lot of moving pieces happening all at once. So in this video, I'm gonna walk through my event day organizer checklist and the things that I think matter most when hosting a market event. If you're new here, my name is Elle, and last fall I hosted my first market event. I spent several years as a vendor participating in all sorts of different market events. So now I focus content on creating videos all about pop-up events, vendor markets, and now event organizing. And today I want to talk about event day because even if you planned everything perfectly, the actual execution still matters a lot. The first thing I would say is arrive earlier than you think you need to, because there are always last minute issues. Maybe a vendor arrives late, a booth needs adjusting, signage isn't where it should be, or setup takes longer than expected. Giving yourself extra time makes the entire day feel less stressful. One thing that helps a lot is having a very simple vendor check-in process. So for example, booth assignments ready, vendor names organized, setup instructions prepared, parking information available, because vendors are usually arriving while carrying inventory, tents, displays, and products. The smoother the check-in process is, the smoother the entire event usually feels. And honestly, this is another reason that I built Let's Pop Shop. Having vendor information, applications, and event day details organized in one place makes event day much easier to manage. If you guys are enjoying organizer-focused videos like this, definitely subscribe. I've been sharing a lot more content around planning and hosting successful market events. Something I didn't fully realize until hosting an event is how important flow is. You want people to move naturally through the event, stop at booths, take photos, and actually spend time there. Things like wider walkways, sitting areas, food or drinks, music, and decor can make the event feel much more enjoyable and intentional. I also think it's important to expect that small things will go wrong. And honestly, that's normal. Maybe someone needs extra space, a vendor has a question, the weather changes, or setup doesn't go exactly as planned. Usually the biggest difference between stressful events and smooth events isn't perfection. It's staying calm and solving problems quickly. The more organized your systems are beforehand, the easier the event day becomes. That's one of the reasons I wanted Let's Pop Shop to help organizers manage vendors, applications, and communication in one place instead of juggling everything manually. You can send communications directly to vendors through the app day of. At the end of the day, your role as an organizer isn't just coordinating vendors. You're creating an experience. You're thinking about the atmosphere, the shopper experience, the vendor experience, and the overall energy of the event. And honestly, those little details are usually what people remember most. I think the best market events usually have one thing in common. They feel easy to attend, the setup feels organized, the event flows well, people know where to go, and shoppers actually want to stay a while instead of leaving after 5 minutes. I'd love to know in the comments, if you've hosted an event before, what's one thing you learned on event day? And if you're planning an event and want an easier way to manage vendors and event organization, I'll put Let's Pop Shop below. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Planning an event and want an easier way to manage vendors and event organizations, I'll put Let's Pop Shop below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Can I say it really?
Bye.